So another massive drug bust going on, and I'll give you a heads up on what's going on there. Seized Southeast Asia's biggest haul. This information from TraxNews.org that a contributor and a watcher just like yourself put up. You give me the news, I'll report it. That's really what Trax News is all about. You got 500 kilograms of crystal and methamphetamine, 300 kilograms of heroin. You've got 3,700 liters of fentanyl that's used to make opioid fentanyl. This is a lot of dope, guys. That's a lot of dope. And there's money in the dope, you know. People want to build careers. They want to build lives. I want to build the news. I want you to participate. Some people don't want to do that. Some people just want to feel good in this fucked up world. And the harder and the more miserable the world is, the more people just want to feel good. Put it in their veins. Make their brain feel good. Not trying to strive for that big vacation, for that new car, for that big, feeling of success and business and this and that. And that's not a road I chose. If I was a little weaker, maybe I would have, you know. It's sad. And there's so many people addicted to that substance, they can't get off of it. This was a bust, but that doesn't mean nothing. There's another one around the corner. Distribution. There's always going to be somebody who's willing to take it because their life is miserable or they just want to feel good, and once they feel good once, they want to do it again. There's always going to be someone to distribute it because there's going to be someone that says, you know what, rather than mopping the floors for $16 or $13 an hour, I could make that I could make 13,000 in a day if I could just move this, and it's worth the risk for them. It's a tragic thing. There is a solution to this problem. That solution is to be able to legalize this narcotic for the people so they can register as opioid addicts and get their fix and move on with their lives. That's gonna kill the market, right? Because you're taking away the demand. That you're taking the demand. You're controlling the demand, so the supply is going to diminish of illegal drugs. But you gotta have courage to do that, you know. And this society doesn't have courage. That's why we created Trax News. If you want me to report a story, read the description, hit the link in the bio. I'll report it for you. You want to join the organization, you want to get shares of the organization, read the description. We'll teach you how to get shares. Hit the link in the bio. You could contribute. You could own. It's going to be news for the people, by the people. That's what we're doing here at Trax News. I want you to participate, and I want you to be able to control the narrative of the information that's moving around out there, because there's a lot of bullshit, and it's not in your interest.